Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here, and today we are talking about EdgeX, a high-performance decentralized exchange that is pulling in billions in volume because it actually gives you the decentralized exchange feel without giving up custody of your crypto. So let's jump right in. EdgeX is a perpetual decentralized exchange, but unlike the old school automated market makers where you just swap tokens blindly, EdgeX uses a hybrid order book model. It's built on its own dedicated network infrastructure called the Edge chain, which is a secondary network built to make transactions faster and cheaper. What does that mean for you? It means you get the absolute best of both worlds. You click connect wallet and you are instantly ready to trade. There is no know your customer identity verification, no handing over your private keys. You maintain 100% self-custody of your funds in a smart contract. But the moment you enter a trade, the execution is handled off the main blockchain by an engine that processes 200,000 orders per second almost instantly. It is butter smooth. You can push up to 100 times leverage on Bitcoin and your orders fill instantly without that terrifying pending transaction screen you get on older decentralized platforms. But speed doesn't matter if the fee eats all your profit. This is where EdgeX is actually stealing market share from the decentralized giants. Their baseline fee for standard users are 0.018% for makers and 0.038% for takers. That is aggressively cheap, and because it's a specialized network, they actually cover the blockchain transaction fee for you. You aren't paying expensive Ethereum network prices just to adjust your stop loss. The liquidity is also institutional grade. EdgeX was incubated by Amber Group, meaning they have massive market makers backing the platform. On this Bitcoin to US dollar pair, you are looking over $100 million in liquidity with incredible tight pricing. You can size up your trade heavily without worrying about slipping and whipping out your entry points. Now let's talk about the real reason so many high volume traders are migrating their Bitcoin setups over to EdgeX right now. The platform is gearing up for its official token generation event, which is when their official Edge token goes public. Right now, they are running their pre-token generation season. What this means is that every time you trade, you are accumulating points. By simply executing your normal daily Bitcoin trades here instead of your usual exchange, you are passively farming what is shaping up to be a massive free token distribution. They have allocated 13% of their total supply to early users and community rewards. It's the ultimate double dip, secure your trading profits, and farm the protocol's native token before it goes public. Look, 100 times leverage is a weapon. You have to respect it and use proper risk management. But if you are a serious trader looking for deep liquidity, ultra low fees, and full control over your own funds, EdgeX is getting the new standard for what a decentralized exchange should be. I've dropped the link in the description below, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.